Have you ever looked at your savings account and think, well, that's disappointing? Or maybe you're still at zero and wondering where to even start. Don't sweat it. I've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing simple, realistic tips to help you start saving money without giving up everything you love. Because nobody's taking away your morning coffee, I promise. So saving money feels impossible when you're juggling bills, groceries, and the occasional splurge. Hey, we all need some joy. In fact, more than 60% of Americans don't have enough savings to cover a $1,000 emergency. Does that sound familiar? It's stressful, right? But here's the thing. Starting small is the key. And I'll show you how to make saving easy, doable, and even a little bit of fun. So imagine opening your savings account and seeing a real cushion, enough to cover an unexpected car repair, a last-minute doctor's visit, or maybe even a weekend getaway. Saving money isn't about giving up everything. It's about creating a peace of mind and the freedom to handle life's surprises. And guess what? You can start saving today, no matter how tight your budget is. So let's take a look at 3 whys. So, here's why saving money matters. Let's take a look at why number 1, why it matters. Savings protect you from financial stress and unexpected expenses, like when your fridge decides to retire early. Let's take a look at number 2, why it works. Small, consistent savings add up over time. $10 today becomes hundreds before you even know it. Let's take a look at the last why. Why now? The earlier you start, the faster you'll reach your goals. Waiting just means missing out on that head start. So let's keep it simple with a 3-step saving starter plan. Okay. Number 1, find your savable dollars. All right. So look for small leaks in your budget. Do you really need 3 streaming services? Cutting even $10 a week can add up to $520 a year. So use cash for fun spending, like dining out. Once the cash is gone, you stop spending. It's like a built-in limit without the guilt. Okay. Let's take a look at number 2, automate your savings. So open a separate savings account and set up automatic transfers, even if it's just $5 or $10 a week. Treat it like a bill you pay yourself. So for an example, every Friday, $10 automatically moves to savings, right? It's simple, but small progress I can feel, right? So let's take a look at number 3, set a specific goal. Give your savings a purpose, whether it's an emergency fund, a vacation, or a new gadget. Saving is easier when you know what you're working towards. So for example, I'm saving $500 for a rainy day fund by setting aside $20 a week. That's just skipping one pizza night. So small changes, big results. Saving money isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. So I know it's easy to think, what difference does $5 make? But trust me, it adds up. It's not about how much you save at first. It's about building the habit. The more you save, the easier it gets. And before you know it, you'll have more money set aside than you ever thought possible. All right, let's take a look at a family scenario, okay? Take the Parkers. A year ago, they couldn't save a dime, okay? They just started with $10 a week, cutting out one drive-through coffee and bringing snacks from home. In 6 months, they saved $240. Then they doubled it to $20 a week. By the end of the year, they had over $1,000 saved. That emergency fund saved them when their car battery died on Christmas Eve. What's the lesson? Start small and stick with it. Consistency wins every time. So let's take a look at some additional benefits. All right. So saving money isn't just about having cash in the bank. It's about having the peace of mind. So let's take a look at number one, less stress. Knowing you have a safety net makes life surprises less scary. So number two, more freedom. Save for your goals that matter to you, like vacations, gadgets, home improvements, etc. Number three, financial control. Building savings proves to yourself that you can take charge of your money. The last benefit, better sleep. A little cushion in the bank account helps you sleep like a baby. All right, so what's one small change you can make today to start saving? Is it cutting back on takeout, skipping a subscription, or automating a weekly transfer? Share it in the comments below. I love to hear your plan and cheer you on. So when you hit your first $100, $500, or even $1,000, celebrate it. Treat yourself to a movie night. Dance around the living room, or just smile and say, "Look what I did." Every dollar saved is a step towards a better future. So if you're already there, I want you right now to take a moment to appreciate the effort you're making today. Saving money is a choice you're making for yourself and your family, and that's something to be proud of. Here's your challenge. Open a separate savings account and set up automatic transfers, even if it's just $5 a week. Start small and watch how it grows. Trust me, your future self will thank you. So let's take a look at a recap, okay? Find small ways to save, automate your transfers, and set a goal to keep yourself motivated. Saving money starts with small, consistent steps, and every dollar counts. So remember, success isn't about juggling everything at once. It's about automating, managing, and dominating step by step. Thank you for watching my video.